One thing I love to do is play guitar. Now, I'm not very good at it. I've been doing it since last January, but I'm getting there and I practice every day. I love it. So I thought, man, what is a cool idea is to get a nice portrait of me playing my guitar, my Gibson Les Paul Gold Top. Back to my portrait. Okay, so we had all kinds of problems. We put it on my default big octa. It looked okay. I said, Eric, we need to light the guitars. So we went back and forth with a grid. It really directs the light. So instead of the light just going like this, it kind of goes like this. Then we looked at it and go, you know, guitars are lit, but kind of looks still boring. So I put a blue flash behind the drum set and it just lit this wall. And then a friend came in and said, you know, it's kind of missing something. And then I looked back at mine and I said, you know what? It's not there yet. You're right. So I told Eric, I said, let's get reset up. Let's reshoot. And instead of using the big octa, I used a deep octa. Let's talk about a deep octa for a minute. This is my favorite light modifier. If you know what fall off is, this will direct the light more and it will fall off quicker. So my face will be lit, and as the light falls off and goes down lower, the light will get darker. So this was the key light. This is lighting me. This is lighting the guitars. The wall over here was dead. So come here, let me show you what we did. We put a light with a red gel to hit this guitar, the red guitar. Well, it looked weird. I mean, it just looked like there was red. There was a bright red guitar, and everything was red, and we're like, eh. So I went and got this blue gel light, and while Eric was doing something else, I set it up. I go, just trust me, just let me do this one thing. So he let me set up another light, and he was the photographer on this whole thing. So this is kind of his deal, his images. But when I mixed this blue high and this red low, it looked really pretty cool. The last thing was, as we were standing way back there, we had was a black hole. Eric said, let's light it. So the first thing we did was we shot the red light, pointed it straight back, and kind of made it just give us a little bit of fill. Again, this is just little bitty stuff. With every little light that we added, we just fixed a problem of boring. So hopefully you enjoy the image. This is the final image right here.